Yo, Cycling Chef! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my vlog. Excited ako sa video ito kasi, as you all know, nakita nyo na sa intro, yung bagong Factor bike. The second generation, Factor Ostro BAM. As you all know, sa aking mga followers and subscribers, nakita nyo naman na meron na akong Factor Ostro. And using that Factor Ostro, alam ko wala na siyang i-improve kasi it's almost perfect. Pero alam nyo naman ng Factor Bikes motto is never status quo. Kaya this year, they are revealing the second generation Factor Ostro BAM. Pero bago po yan, bigyan ko muna kayo ng brief history about Factor Bikes. Factor Bikes began in 2007 as a leading design and engineering firm, an offshoot of BF1 Systems, which was working for leading brands such as Ferrari, Aston Martin, Lamborghini, Maserati, and many Formula 1, MotoGP, and WRC teams. At ang kauna-unahang carbon Factor bike is the Factor 001 na lumabas noong 2009. Imagine, 2009, meron na silang ganyang design. Kaya masasabi natin, the design engineer and the creator of Factor bikes is years ahead of its time in terms of performance, technological advancement, and aesthetics. And again, it's good to mention the Factor bikes motto, never status quo. Today, Factor Bikes owns and operates its own carbon production facility. At sa pagkaalam ko, ito lang yung premium bike brand in the world na ino-oversee niya in producing carbon fiber bikes from its concept hanggang sa final assembly at hanggang sakyan na ng mga World Tour riders. O siya, tama na po tayo. Alam ko, excited na kayong makita yung full details ng bike build na ito. Again, this is the second generation Factor Ostro BAM. This is the new generation Factor Ostro BAM. Dinesign ang bike na ito to manage aerodynamic gains while offering riders an uncompromised and highly responsive racing bike. Factor engineers sought out to find balance across weight, stiffness, and aerodynamics, refusing to concede any of these three critical components at the expense of one another. The result is a modern racing bike for riders who demand pinpoint handling, immediate power transfer, comfort sa mga unforgiving roads kagaya dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, and low weight for optimum performance sa mga ahon. According to Factor, this bike is 6.8 at medium, size 54. Pero syempre depende how are you going to build this bike. Pero this bike, with all these components and a Shoma power meter, this bike is around 6.88 kilos. Okay, we already get it. Magaang, tapos aerodynamics. Pero ano ba ang pagkakaiba niya dun sa predecessor na Ostro BAM? Paano ba siya dinesign? According to Factor, beyond straight line speed, from front to back design approach. Kapansin-pansin din yung lapad ng clearance niya sa harapan at saka yung curved head tube niya to make this bike an aero from front hanggang sa likod. At syempre, bukod pa dyan, yung kanyang aero integrated handlebars from Black Ink. Black Ink din yung mga battle cages. Meron din siyang kinalaman sa aerodynamic design ng frame na ito. Puntahan naman natin yung panggitna ng bike o pangibabaw. Kapansin-pansin din na mas pinanipis yung top tube. Halos kapareho siya ng design ng new generation Factor 02. Now, let's talk about the rear end of the bike. Kasi 'di ba sabi ni Factor, from front to back yung aerodynamics. The next generation Ostro BAM meron ng curve sa ilalim ng kanyang seat tube at pinaliit din yung seat post. At wala na rin yung bolt screw niya sa harapan ng seat tube. Mas madali na ngayong ma-access kasi nandito na siya sa likod. So kita na natin sabi ni Factor, beyond straight line speed with a front to back design approach. And according to Factor, dumaan ito sa hundreds of simulation runs throughout the development cycle bago ito padaanin sa wind tunnel for verification at real-world testing. At ang isa sa real-world testing ay nung manalo si Stevie Williams sa general classification ng 2024 Santos Tour Down Under. Kasabay ng next generation Ostro BAM ay yung panibagong Black Ink. This wheelset delivers speed in all conditions, providing a predictable ride feel without compromising on weight or aerodynamics. 1 kilo and 270 grams yung timbang ng dalawang wheelset. For a deep rim, magaang yon. Ceramic speed din yung mga bearings ng wheelset nito. O nga pala, isa-isahin na natin yung mga components. This bike is equipped with Shimano Di2 12-speed group set. From the brake levers or STI, crankset, rotors and calipers, front derailleur, rear derailleur, maliban dun sa rollers na naka-ceramic speed, lahat Dura-Ace. Bukod din dun sa roller na nabanggit ko at yung mga bearings ng rim set, pati yung bearings ng kanyang headset at yung bottom bracket, lahat sila ceramic speed. Tapos, eto nga palang particular bike build na ito is naka-Ashoma single-sided power meter. Kaya in terms of weight, magdidepende na yan kung papaano nyo bubuin itong bike na to. Pero, yung frame pa lang ng bike na ito is magaang na talaga. On size 54, medium, yung batalya, 820 grams lang. Painted yun ha. O nga pala, ang color ng frame na ito is pearl white. Bagay na bagay yung colorway ng batalya dun sa rim set ng bike na ito. And of course, before we end the video, i-sound check muna natin yung wheel set. And that concludes our vlog for today. I'm presenting you the next generation Factor Ostro Vamp. If you have any question, leave some comments down below at sasagutin natin yan. And if you are interested with the new Factor frames or any other Factor bikes, I will write at the description box kung saan kayo pwedeng makabili ng mga Factor bikes. Sige po mga kapadyak, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta at panonood ng aking YouTube channel. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up at kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Ride safe, eat healthy, God bless you all, Cycling Chef.
He wins the stage